Let's begin the video. So we are going to see 4 stocks for Monday's session. The first stock is Petronet LNG. If you look at the daily chart of the stock, and if I were to draw a trend line, I can easily draw a trend line till the current market price, which is like this. And if we move to hourly chart, and I can also draw a trend line like this. See, what does it say? It says that Petronet LNG has been trading within this channel since quite a long time. So, in tomorrow's session, or rather in Monday's session, we are going to see a breakout. Whether it is going to happen or not, it is another question. But looking at the chart pattern and looking at the volumes, we can easily see that volumes on the bullish side are much more than their bearish counterpart. Also, if you take this particular swing, which is taking closer to the channel pattern like this, I can also draw a support line. Let me select it. See, this is the support line. Since in this entire week, all the price action has been taking place near the support level, and also at the same time you can see VIX with candle on the downside, which means that Petronet is respecting its support level, and it is likely that breakout on the upper side is highly likely in Monday's session. So we have to wait and watch. Let's move to second stock, which is nothing but Marico Limited. First of all, we'll identify the pattern in daily chart. The pattern looks as simple as that of a breakout stock. This is an easily identifiable resistance level. Also at the same time, we can draw a cup and handle pattern that I was talking in yesterday's session. This is cup and this is handle. Although I would have liked to see handle being equal to 50% or less than 50% of cup, but in this case it's not that. Having said that, if we move to weekly chart, we can also draw the same pattern over here. So two time frame, daily and weekly, are conforming to cup and handle pattern, which again solidifies our stance that in Monday's session we might see breakout, and that breakout can go as much as this level. So in Monday's session we could have a more than a decent bullish day. Let's move to third stock. So third stock is Amara Raja Batteries. See, again similar thing is happening. This is also a threatening to break out, and why I will tell you. We have drawn a resistance line like this, and see how the price reacting to, and how many times it has gone to that level. This is one, this is twice, and this is thrice. And just see the latest up rally towards the breakout zone. Amara Raja Battery is slowly and steadily making progression, and at the bottom side you can see the volumes are comparatively more to their bearish counterpart, which means that buyers are slowly getting control of the entire price action, or rather price and they are trying to force the pace. So we got 3 touches, 1, 2, 3. So in Monday's session, if we get any time Amar Raja battery goes above 810, it can go to this level. I will tell you the level, which can be as high as 845 or 850. We have to be wary of this thing. Let's see the last stock. The last stock is UPL. So see how price is reacting on a daily chart. This is the stock, and I can also draw a trend line like this. We'll go to weekly chart, because not weekly, hourly chart, therein we can easily draw a much better and clear trend line. So this also happens to be a channel pattern developing. As we saw in the first stock, which was Petronet LNG, the same pattern is being developed. This is a support level, and you can see how for the entire week UPL has respected its support level through long wick candles with the wick sticking out in the down direction. So in Monday's session, we might see a breakout above this level, which is equivalent to 425, and it can go as high as 435. Also see the volumes. The most important thing that you have to check is not only how the candles are corresponding with each other, but also see how volume is fluctuating. The more factor shouting aloud for a same analysis, the more confidence we will have when we take the trade. So that's the most important factor. Don't just rely on single thing, because it can go wrong. If we build more factors towards a particular price action, then we can take more quantity and become more confident. If you want to know all the important levels, then you can join my Telegram channel. I will leave the link in the description box. Thank you for watching.